The i6A non-isolated converter has the same footprint as the industry standard 16th brick isolated converter, and so is a drop-in replacement. Although the i6A is non-isolated, for a system operating from the AC mains, the AC-DC power supply already provides the primary to secondary isolation and has safety certification to the IEC standards. Using an isolated DC-DC converter has no benefit in most applications. The simple topology and up to 98% operating efficiency of the i6A saves cost and reduces waste heat.